I'm gonna show you the puppies that our dog had. That they're how many days old? They're like
a day old now.
Yeah, 1 day old today. So I'm gonna show you them, and they're really cute and tiny. So yeah.
Talk about the plants.
And this is the puppy's dad, Thorn. We got him from okay, buddy. We were then being because here's the parents. This is their dad, Thorn, and he's like 2, I think, or 1. And he's a Great Pyrenees mixed with Anatolian Shepherd. He has more Great Pyrenees. He's 75% Great Pyrenees and 55 Anatolian. And
125.
25 Anatolian. But he's a pretty good dog. And we got him for breeding our other dog, Rosemary. And come. We're supposed to go get water. And we got Rosemary from our friends. She's 75%, right? Anatolian, and 25% Great Pyrenees. And she just had her puppy. And she's off her nest, running around, getting her. And I can't tell you what colors they are until we go in there. Because they're pretty weird colors. All these different colors. And there's one boy. Just one boy out of the whole litter. She had 9 puppies. I mean, she has 9 puppies. Yeah, she has 9 puppies. And she has 1 boy. Right, really? And they're sleeping. Here, let me sit down this and you got some more food. I can do some. But let's see which one's a boy. This one? No, this one. This is the chubby, right? No, that's not the boy. Okay. This is the boy. And he's pretty fat for a day old. That means they're getting all they need though. So this is a little boy. I don't know what his name is, but they smell so cute. And then let's see. Look at these size comparisons. This is very chubby, and that's very tiny. You okay? But it's pretty silly. They're just weird. How they look. You're hungry? Well, Mama's nursing us. Hey, be quiet. Then there's these ones. Out in the sun. They're pretty noisy.
An interesting color on them, huh? Do you remember Rosemary's siblings? Was there any really dark ones?
No. Remington and some of the other puppies had a dark brown muzzle, but that was it.
Yeah.
None of them were black and white. Yeah, but they're hungry with the rest of them. Loudmouths. And let's see. Let us see these. All these white colored ones. Which one's the boy? I think it's this. No, this one is the boy, I think. Yeah, this one's the boy. Shade, let's see them. Here, puppies. Here they are. They're only 1 day old and they're so cute. Okay, well, you can go nurse. Well, now you can't nurse. Yeah, that's all the puppies. All those little puppies. And their mom. Hey. And she's a good mom. Very good one. We hung up these fly strips. They caught a lot of flies. We hung them up yesterday. Here, you white ones. Get nice. This chubby one. This little white one. There you go. I really like the black and white ones. And there's these 3. I showed you 2 of these. I showed you these 2, but there's this one too. This one's the chubby one of all these brown ones. It's pretty cute. Kind of looks like a bulldog. How chubby. But, yeah, I really like these new little puppies. Oh, you little girlie here. There you go. But those are the puppies. And they're nice and new home. And I really like this little one. It's a little tiny one. Has some black on it and some white, and it's all different colors. It's like a cat, a calico cat almost. Settle down. And it's real hungry, but they've been nursing all day. And I really like how they look. When I found them, they sounded like baby kitties or crickets. But they're real cute, and the colors are real weird on all these. These are our colors of puppies that we have. We have brown, white, and black. And we have white and black, and black and white, and some brown. So we have all different colors of little puppies. There you go. They're all real cute too. Their little tails. And we are gonna have lots of cute puppy footage coming up soon. Hey, don't take this mic. No. So, yeah, and we're also gonna be selling them. So anybody in the Ozarks who wants some livestock guardian dogs, we have them. Here, quiet. There. So we have them, and we'll be selling them here soon. So, yep, we got 1 boy and 8 girls. So, even if you want just to have them as a fun dog, they're really good. And they're really good livestock guardian dogs. Right, Rosemary? Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this puppy video. Pinky out.
As always, I'm Papa-Pepper, and I'd like to remind you, don't post for free. If you'd like to be part of a revolution in social media, an economic power to the people, where users can actually blog for cryptocurrency, then I'd recommend that you check out steemit.com and join the revolution. Papa out.